Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Yulia, NPM 22411047. I am from class Management 22. I will be giving a presentation about internal audit. Definition of audit planning. Audit planning is the initial stage in the audit process aimed at determining the strategy, scope, timing, and procedures to be carried out. Good planning helps auditors understand the business environment, identify potential risks, and ensure that the audit is conducted efficiently and effectively. At this stage, auditors also consider the necessary resources such as manpower, time, and budget so that the audit process runs smoothly and meets its objective. Objective of audit planning. The primary objective of audit planning is to ensure that the audit is conducted in accordance with professional standard and produces reliable findings. Through proper planning, auditors can identify high-risk areas, set examination priority, and avoid misses rework. Additional audit planning helps minimize errors and improve team coordination and meet predetermined deadlines. Step in audit planning. Audit planning generally involves several important steps, such as understanding the audit and anti-flimsy background, assessing audit risks, determining materiality settings and audit strategy, and preparing an audit program. The process begins with gathering preliminary information through interview, document review, or direct observation. The authors then perform initial evaluation of the internal control system to determine the extent of testing required. Understanding the entity and business environment. An essential part of planning is understanding the audit entity, including its organizational structure, business process, accounting policy, and external environment. This understanding helps auditors identify factors that may affect the financial statements, such as regulatory change, market condition, and technological development. Without adequate understanding, auditor risks of overlooking significant areas or misinterpreting the data. Risk assessment and materiality. As part of audit planning, auditor performance a risk assessment to determine the likelihood of material misstatement in the financial statement. Risks emerge from human errors, weakness in the internal control system, or fraudulent activity. Auditors also establish a level of materiality, which is the threshold for considering error as significant. This assessment will influence the depth and scope of the audit procedure. Developing the audit strategy and program. Once risks have been assessed, auditors develop an audit strategy that outlines the approach to be used, such as subjective testing or compliance testing. A detailed audit program is then prepared, which includes examines procedure, a schedule, tax assessment, and documentation methods. This program serves as a guide for the audit team to work consistently and systematically, ensuring that all relevant areas are covered. Importance of documenting the planning process. The entire planning process must be properly documented as evidence that the audit was planned professional. This documentation should include the auditor's consideration, risk assessment, audit strategy, and return for selection, short-term procedures. Besides being useful for the current audit team, the planning document can serve as a reference for future audits and as an evaluation tool for auditor performance. Will document planning enhance the credibility of the audit result and possibility reference by external parties. That's the presentation I delivered. I apologize if there are any mistakes. I'll end it with peace and blessing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.